Yes, let me start a new lecture video. This is lecture video number 1, which is a new chapter, which is matrices. हम एक न्यू टॉपिक के साथ स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं जो कि matrices है. You will get the complete chapter. In every video, we'll discuss some topics related to matrices, and I'll give you extra questions to solve. Any queries, any doubts, you can ask me इन कमेंट सेक्शन. और अगर आपको और कोई वीडियोस चाहिए रिलेटेड टू मैट्रिसेस और रिलेटेड टू एनी अदर टॉपिक लाइक ट्रिग्नोमेट्री ट्रिग्नोमेट्री अप टू ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन, एडिशन ऑफ वेक्टर, प्रोडक्ट ऑफ वेक्टर, सीबीएसई क्लास 11th क्लास 12th, इंजीनियरिंग के कोई भी मैथमेटिक्स 1 मैथमेटिक्स 2, देन कमेंट सेक्शन में आप टॉपिक मेंशन कीजिए. आई विल एक्सप्लेन यू. आई विल मेक अ वीडियो. So let's start with matrices. Simple definition of a matrix. A matrix is an ordered rectangular array of numbers or functions. A matrix is an ordered rectangular array. Like if we arrange the numbers or if we arrange the functions in an order. अगर हम कोई numbers को, कोई functions को या कोई variables को या कोई constants को अगर हम arrange कर पाए उसको हम मैट्रिक्स बोलते हैं. हियर नंबर्स एंड फंक्शंस आर कॉल्ड एज एलिमेंट्स. हम वो नंबर्स और फंक्शंस को इधर एलिमेंट्स बतलाते हैं. नंबर्स और फंक्शंस आर एलिमेंट्स और द एंटायर ऑफ द मैट्रिक्स, मतलब हम इसको मैट्रिक्स बोलते हैं. दिस इज द सिंबल ऑफ मैट्रिक्स. दिस ब्रैकेट इज द सिंबल ऑफ मैट्रिक्स. दिस इज फर्स्ट एलिमेंट, दिस इज सेकेंड एलिमेंट, दिस इज थर्ड एलिमेंट, दिस इज फोर्थ एलिमेंट. ये एलिमेंट्स है मैट्रिक्स के. ये जो अपनी मैट्रिक्स है या मैट्रिक्स कंप्लीट मैट्रिक्स के 4 एलिमेंट्स है. ये कंप्लीट मैट्रिक्स के ये ए बी सी ये एलिमेंट्स है. ये कंप्लीट मैट्रिक्स के एलिमेंट्स है. एलिमेंट्स कैन बी रियल नंबर्स, नेचुरल नंबर्स, होल नंबर्स, कॉम्प्लेक्स नंबर्स, रेशनल नंबर्स. जैसा कि यहाँ पर देखिए आप √3 है, यहाँ पर 5.1 है, -2/8 है. सो मैट्रिक्स के अंदर वी कैन गेट एनी नंबर्स. टू अंडरस्टैंड different topics related to matrix, we must understand what is order. What is order of a matrix? We need to understand what is order of a matrix. Here, a matrix having m rows, matrix having m number of rows and n number of columns. Sometimes in many materials, here it will be r number of rows and c columns. r हम कभी कभी रोज के लिए डिफाइन करते हैं या m हम कभी कभी रोज के लिए डिफाइन करते हैं, n कॉलम्स के लिए डिफाइन करते हैं या c कॉलम्स के लिए डिफाइन करते हैं. इज कॉल्ड अ मैट्रिक्स ऑफ ऑर्डर n बाई n. मतलब यानी तो इफ हम r बोल रहे हैं देन ऑफ ऑर्डर r बाई c means let me explain you. In a matrix we say this as row. This is row 1 of a matrix. This is row 2 of a matrix. This is row 3 of a matrix. This 1 and 3 is first row, -6 and 9 is second row, 6 and 2 is third row. 1, -6 and 6 is first column, 3, 9 and 2 is second column. This is first column, this is second column. So order is defined as the number of rows, m rows and n columns. Means we are having 3 rows by we are having 2 columns. So this 3 by 2 is defined as order of matrix above matrix. So 3 by 2 is the order of this matrix. Now let me explain you by taking second example. सेकेंड मैट्रिक्स में हमारे पास ये फर्स्ट रो है R1, ये सेकेंड रो है R2. हमारे पास यहाँ पर 2 रोज है. So 2 by, and we are having three columns. This is first column, this is second column, and this is third column. So 2 by 3 is order of this matrix. If we see थर्ड एग्जाम्पल में हमारे पास एक फर्स्ट रो है, सेकेंड रो है, थर्ड रो है. वी आर हैविंग थ्री रोज बाई हमारे पास थ्री कॉलम्स है. फर्स्ट कॉलम है, सेकेंड कॉलम है, थर्ड कॉलम है. सो ऑर्डर ऑफ दिस मैट्रिक्स इज 3 by 3. Fourth example, we are having 1, 2, 3 and 4. We are having 4 rows, as well as we are having 1, 2, 3 and 4. We are having 4 columns. So 4 by 4 is order of this matrix. So order is defined as the m number of rows by n number of columns is known as order. Now let us understand what are the elements, what are the positions of a matrix. Here this A as well as this A are known as positions of matrix. We call this as, sorry, we call this as elements of matrix. We call this as elements of matrix. These are elements. This 1 1, this 1 2 and this 1 3. This 1 1, this 1 2 as well as this 1 3 are position. On which position is that element? This 1 1 means this is the first row and the first column element. This element is sitting in this first row and this first column. This 1 2 here is यहाँ पर इन्हें रो 1 में बैठे हुआ है and column 2 में बैठे हुआ है. Here this 1 3 is यहाँ पर इन्हें रो 3 में बैठे हुआ है and रो 1 में बैठे हुआ है and column 3 में बैठे हुआ है. So we have understood that this position is like this is in 2 1 means this is a second element which is sitting in first row, yeah, second column, first row element. Okay, this 2 2 means it is sitting in second position of second row, yeah, it is the second element sitting in second row and second column. So this says the position where matrix is sitting, on which position it is matrix. Now let us understand what is this 1 1 and 2 2 and 3 3. Here this 1 1, this 2 2 and this 3 3, this is known as principal diagonal element. This is known as principal diagonal element. Principal diagonal element means the diagonal of which the position is same. मतलब ये diagonal elements हैं जहाँ पर इसके रो का भी और कॉलम का भी पोजीशन सेम है. वैसा अगर देखा गया तो दिस इज ऑल्सो वन डायगोनल, ये भी एक डायगोनल है, बट दैट वी डोंट कॉल दिस डायगोनल एज प्रिंसिपल डायगोनल एलिमेंट बिकॉज हर एक एलिमेंट के पोजीशंस सेम नहीं है. सो इन अ मैट्रिक्स this element is known as a principal diagonal element. This element is known as principal diagonal element. And the elements above principal diagonal element, there are these three elements. There are these three elements A13, A21 and A23. These three elements here are known as upper triangular element. These three elements are known as upper triangular elements. Here the elements below principal diagonal elements, this the elements A21, A31 and A32. The elements below principal diagonal element is known as lower triangular element. Lower triangular elements. Okay, we have understood what is principal diagonal element, what is upper triangular elements, what are the lower triangle elements. Let us start next topic, which is types of matrices. Here the first type of matrix is a square matrix. No need to remember the definitions. If you understand, you can write in your own language. What is square matrix? Square matrix क्या है? If m is to n, मतलब नंबर ऑफ रोज, अगर इसके नंबर ऑफ रोज और नंबर ऑफ कॉलम्स इक्वल है, इसमें रो एक है, इसमें दो रोज हैं एंड इसमें दो कॉलम्स है, if the order of the matrix is equal, if m is equal to n, then it is known as a square matrix. Now rectangular matrix. Rectangular matrix, if m by n, if m is not equal to n, if the number of rows is not equal to number of columns. As you can see here, there are two rows and there are three columns. So number of rows are not equal to number of columns. So this is known as a rectangular matrix. Next matrix is a row matrix, in which the m by n, if the order is m by n, m should be every time 1. Here row matrix, m must be every time 1. We should not be less than 0, we should not be greater than 0, but it should be only 1. मतलब एक सिंगल रो रहना चाहिए अपने पास. Columns can be many. Like if I take one more example, 169. Here this is only one row, but we are having three columns. We can have any number of columns. हमारे पास कितने भी columns रह सकते हैं, लेकिन रो एक ही रहना. And next is column matrix. Here n must be 1. Here n must be 1. मतलब कॉलम हमारे पास सिर्फ एक रहना चाहिए, रो कितने में रह सकते. अगर और एक एग्जांपल लिए हम 103. See, here we are having only one column, but we are having three rows. So this is known as a column matrix. Here zero matrix means all the elements in a matrix is zero. मतलब हर एलिमेंट मैट्रिक्स का जीरो है. 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0. This is known as a zero matrix. Then next, identity matrix. As I have explained you what is principal diagonal element in previous topic. So principal diagonal elements must be only one. The principal diagonal element must be 1, and the upper triangular matrix and the lower triangular matrix must be 0. Let me take one more example. 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. This is an identity matrix of order 3 by 3. This is upper triangular matrix. Upper triangular matrix is 0, lower triangular matrix भी 0 है, प्रिंसिपल डायगोनल एलिमेंट 1 है, तो हम इसको आइडेंटिटी मैट्रिक्स बोलते हैं. आइडेंटिटी मैट्रिक्स का और एक नाम है यूनिट मैट्रिक्स. आइडेंटिटी मैट्रिक्स इज आल्सो नोन एज यूनिट मैट्रिक्स. The next type of matrix is scalar matrix. What is scalar matrix? The principal diagonal element must be same. Principal diagonal element should not be 1 except 1, like root 3 0 0 0 root 3 0 0 0 root 3. Here the principal diagonal element is same, but it is not 1. If the principal diagonal element is 1, that will be a identity matrix. Principal diagonal element 1 रहना, 1 के अलावा कोई भी दूसरा नंबर रहना, but all the numbers must be same. Principal diagonal element must be same, and upper triangular matrix and lower triangular matrix must be 0, is known as a scalar matrix. डायगोनल मैट्रिक्स मतलब अपर ट्रायंगुलर एलिमेंट एंड लोअर ट्रायंगुलर एलिमेंट रहेगा, जीरो रहना, और प्रिंसिपल डायगोनल एलिमेंट की कुछ वैल्यू रहना. फॉर एग्जांपल 300, 0 minus 40, 006. This is a example for diagonal matrix. Upper triangle element and lower triangle element are 0 and principal diagonal element are only having some values like 3 minus 4 6 and this must not be same. ये सेम नहीं रहना चाहिए. अगर ये सेम रहे then that will become a scalar matrix. अगर ये 1 रहे that will become identity matrix. So principal diagonal element must be some values. Upper triangle element and lower triangle element must be 0 is known as a diagonal matrix. Here triangular matrix means the upper triangle element like 1 0 0 2 3 0 6 1 3. This is here all the values below principal diagonal element are there and above principal diagonal element are 0. प्रिंसिपल डायगोनल एलिमेंट के पूरे ऊपर के एलिमेंट 0 है. सो दिस इज नोन एज लोअर ट्रायंगुलर एलिमेंट. अगर प्रिंसिपल डायगोनल एलिमेंट के ऊपर के एलिमेंट 0 है is known as lower triangle element. And this is one more example. 1 6 3 0 5 4 0 0 3. अगर लोअर ट्रायंगल एलिमेंट 0 है एंड प्रिंसिपल डायगोनल एलिमेंट और उसके ऊपर के एलिमेंट्स विच इज अपर ट्रायंगल एलिमेंट उसमें कुछ ना कुछ वैल्यू रहना. अगर लोअर ट्रायंगल एलिमेंट 0 है देन दिस इज नोन एज upper triangular matrix. This is the example of order 3 by 3. This is the example of order 2 by 2. Next, symmetric matrix. Symmetric matrix means the upper triangular element and lower triangle element must be same and the symmetric matrix. Upper triangle element and lower triangle element must be same and the principal diagonal element must be 1. Like for example 1 2 2 2 1 2 2 2 1. See, upper triangle element is 2, lower triangle element is 2, principal diagonal element is 1. This is known as symmetric matrix. What do you mean by skew symmetric matrix? The upper triangle element should be negative and the lower triangle element must be positive but should have same number and the principal diagonal element must be 1. So this is known as a symmetric matrix. I have explained you what is square matrix, rectangular matrix क्या है, row matrix, column matrix, ये था type of matrix. Now in next lecture, in lecture number 2, I will explain you operations of matrices. How many operations are there? We have addition, subtraction and multiplication. These three operations I'll explain you in lecture 2. If you are having any doubts, you can mention your doubts in comment section. Please like our video, like this video, subscribe our channel and share this video to your friends. Thank you very much for watching this video. Stay connected with us. I will explain you complete chapter of this matrices and I'll upload more videos related to mathematics.